are going to be doing a taste test of all the goodies here in Chile. Ramitas con queso.
De queso.
De queso. So what? This is sticks of cheese?
It is some sort of flour dough chip with cheese flavor.
So they look like this. They're just little stickies. And they're incredible. They taste like what goldfish should taste like.
And Chile is the only place where you can find these ones. So actually when we come to Chile every year, we bring a suitcase pretty much full of ramitas con queso.
This is apple juice. And maybe you're thinking, what's different about the apple juice? Well, if you can see, it's super cloudy. I feel like it tastes like blended, like liquidy applesauce.
Yeah.
Like it tastes like apples.
The thing I like the most are cookies from here. They're like super different. Definitely think they're not very good, but I like them a lot. And there's a lot of different kinds of cookies, and this is one of my favorite ones. There are a lot of different flavors of this one, but the one I like the more is the white chocolate one. So
Donut. And they're chocolatey on the inside and white chocolate on the outside. And then we have frack. These are one of my favorite, and these are flavored like cappuccino. But like this, they have all different kinds of flavors. They have different colored cookies too. And I feel like they really do taste like coffee. All the flavors here are really strong and actually pretty natural.
this is like, it's called surtido, galletas surtidas. It's like a mix of different cookies. They're not the most awesome cookies, but it's a really normal bag of cookies that like a grandma will have in their house. So they're very popular for that reason. They're also pretty cheap.
I've never had these before. I got a little pink one. It's so hard. It's pretty good. So I found this really interesting when I came to Chile, is that the milk comes in juice boxes. Like with a straw. The thing about this milk in Chile is that it's actually not refrigerated, and I was just reading about it. And they have to make the milk processed because, for example, Atacama, the northern region of Chile, it's so hot and so dry that they don't have proper refrigeration in much of the towns. So they need to make a milk that's possible for everyone to drink without being refrigerated. And here in the south of Chile, we are separated by a very large channel that takes about 45 minutes to cross in a boat. So because of the difficulties in transportation, it's also extremely hard to find cold milk. You probably will not find cold milk down here in the south, or if you're all the way up in the north. They also have all sorts of flavored milk. They have like banana milk, caramel milk.
Coffee.
This is coffee milk with strawberry, and we have chocolate. Which one do you want to try?
The strawberry.
So we refrigerate the milk.
Just because we like it cold.
I think it's pretty good. It does actually taste like strawberry. I just find milk with fruit to be kind of strange. You really like the strawberry milk. We have Pinguinitos, and this is from a company called Marinella. So they provide a lot of kids with colaciones. So colaciones are really popular, and they usually get one of these little snack cakes in here. Another thing about Chile and a lot of South American countries is they have these little stop signs down here at the bottom that say like high in calories, high in sugar, high in saturated fats. So I've actually never had one of these. Yeah, this is really good. We mostly just have sweet things because I feel like all the savory things are the same.
Yeah.
Like they have potato chips,
Doritos,
Cheetos.
Not a lot of variety.
I'm pretty sure we totally have something similar in the US, at least filled with chocolate. But these are filled with vanilla. These are fabulous. First, we have, what is it, Chandel? This company has all kinds of different mixtures. This one is with manjar. Manjar is really similar to dulce de leche.
But better.
But you never want to tell a Chilean that. It's a very Chilean thing, manjar. And these are eaten as dessert. They're not eaten as breakfast, but they are sold in the yogurt section. So it just looks like this. I think it's very similar to mousse.
It is a mousse.
Oh, right. And then I've never tried this. I don't love manjar, but I also don't like caramel, so I find the two of them to be pretty similar. So you have to mix the 2 layers. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Feels like one hard. 6 out of 10. Okay, so that's all the snacks that we have for today. A company called Marianella.
Marinella. Marianella is the name of a girl.
That's what I thought the name was.
Marinella.
Marinella.
Okay.